Samido akoretwo one very unpredictable person, na recently tukoretwo tukimenya kuria US tour yake ya mugithi, but just Friday afternoon turarikia gukorwo tukimuona Ruiru mena akururia, na he said that he just landed for shopping, na for sure kuringana uria agikorwo agipost kuria nenda-ini ciake cia Facebook, ni kama asharudi ama we don't know. Thaici tutingiuga either Kenya kana ndari Kenya. Now ni gukoretwo na story nyingi muno cigi surround Samido recently, na ni after the shift from 2-term to 1-term, iria yakorirwo ikirehe thina muingi muno nginya tukiona agithi tour ya mugithi, just to escape the dramas to a point nginya agikorwo nginya agitransfer to anti stock theft unit kuria Gilgil, na agikorwo egutwarwo kuria mwena wa Baragoi, but that's not the story. Thutha ucio tugicoka tukiona kuria US marua matumitwo ati ndakoretwo agithi wira, na pale hivyo watu wanashangaa, is this something that is being done intentionally, nigetha ikorwo ikionia Samido that there are people who are powerful and they can do what they want, kana ni undu genuine? Gugikorwo na speculations ati Samido should also quit this job, tondu gutingituika ati wira ararihwo mbia nini no ukorwo ni uramuhe stress to a point ati nginya ni arathi maybe to some place for hiding, yet ni muini wa mugithi munene muno na ni ena mbia nyingi muno cia mugithi, but Samido ni ayumiritie na akorwo akiuga ati ndari na mubango o wothe wa gukorwo agitiga wira ucio wa uthigari, tondu ni wira aurutire, ni wira awonire na ruo ruingi muno, ni wira onire na a lot of effort and a lot of pressure, na koguo kuona akiurekereria tuoro uguo out of his own willing ndagienda. But if it gets to a point ati circumstances have really forced him akorwo agitiga wira ucio, then he has no option but to do that. Akorirwo akiuga uguo ena ruo ruingi muno, kama ungeweza kumsoma pale hivyo kwa uso, ulikuwa unaona manze, this is something that is coming from his heart bana, na ni arona manze no hakinye handu ngoro ngirekereria wira uyu, something that nduri ngoro-ini yake, but he is ready to do it for the country. Na auga ati in August date 8 ni agukorwo akirekereria announcement imwe nene muno, but what could this announcement be? Hihi niki Samido arenda gukorwo akirekereria? Is it an album? Is it his MP bid for Oljororok? Niki arenda ku announce? Is it joining DCP? Is it joining Jubilee? Is it joining which announcement? Kio nikio kiuria kinene, and I think until August 8th maitho mothe na matu mothe me hari Samido nigetha tukorwo tukimenya his next move, because thaici already ni akoretwo akicatch public attention ever since uhoro ucio akorirwo ukiyumiria, and right now he has the political whatever, the political siasa inamuita hivi, kuja Samido, kuja simama MP, na koguo anytime you might say Samido announcing ni arenda gukorwo akirugama gite kia mubunge. I think that is maybe the announcement, or maybe ni album ararekereria, we never know until ifike August, but ndiye maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. Hari previous videos ciakwa tukiririria uhoro uyu, ndakorirwo ngiuga ati Samido ni one of the wasaniis aria mathire Karen na makihota guthoma ground na ihenya muno na makiehera, together with akina Jose Gatutura, akina Njoroge James, au waliweza kusoma ground, mathire o muthenya ucio, na after hau makiona no kunyitane, unlike Karangũ aria metereire mahurwo mahigana guku Murang'a, Ngaria Junior aria metereire bado yao bado hajakuja, bado mario hau despite the fact that ni marona the response from the people. Na tukiuga Samido ni one of those wajanjas, na nturona haria ujanja wake riu umukinyetie to a point enye thaici he's being talked about in the whole country. I think Samido should join politics as soon as possible. Ndiye mwani makumegi uhoro uyu. Samido I think ni agucoka US kuringana uria araugire, na nimegukorwo magicemania na Gachagua kuria Ngemi, kuringana uria Gachagua araugire. Interesting times in politics, very interesting times in politics. Juzi bado Matiang'i ni arari na meeting ya Kenya aria me diaspora kuria US, and we saw Samido there, so it is possible, very possible that Samido ni agukorwo agitangatha something about politics. But until then, we have to wait. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Wira no turaruta na twakio chance ya ukiendelea ni tugithii na mbere na gwakirito hatukiuge
no riu ri kora tukite kora na muhu ati ni unaciria ku resign
ndakona riciria riu by the way no mukirire kunjikira ciugo kanua ndugirire kunjikira ciugo kanua no riu ri ihinda ringikinya ri then no nginya gukirekereria maundu mathi uria magibatie no wira ucio ndarutire handu haraihu mani
au thigari
gutengera winjaga riũa-inĩ kilomita 10 ti kaundu kahuthu koguo yani ko Ngai aronire hau niho hagukinya ri nie na ni ndikiriu
haya kuri US ri reception yaku ya andu akuu ri no marakwira atia kana mugambo no uri umwe
andu hothe mugikuyu ariri reception ikoragwo ĩ njega no nginya riu rimwe tukiaria ta ruriri na mahinda magithia uguo ri tukuhota kuruta riu mugambo uria kwagirire
no mugambo uria wari naguo kuria thika Greece kuria thika Greece to gwe kuria
ukanjikia mageri-ini ringi ukanjikia mageri-ini ringi tondu we niwe wamerire manjiri na kuoma no ni mutumaga njikwa no ni ndindikagwo ndi hena announcement igwika ngika announcement iyo ri riu ni ngakwira murugamo
murugamo
tutigicenjetie muno
nyumba ya Moginai, nyumba ya Moginai, Gikuyu Nai. Ati mnasemaje? So Northampton declaration. Ati mnasemaje? YouTube.